So next project, looks like there are two small projects, but actually it is a big project. So I start to do step by step. So first thing, I have to understand what I want. This is not for the table, it is for something very special, a big project. You can use it also, yes, for the table, not problem, but it is something really special. Okay, let's show you how I did those two pieces. Because it has a space here, I will do an upside down mosaic, so everything can be all the same level. I'm using here 2 fiberglass. This is a normal paper, 80 grams, and I will do the shape a bit smaller so it can fit in. The recipe of the glue, you will find it under the description in the video. Actually, this is for the floor. Yeah, it's something very special. It's a big project. Let's go and show you for where. Yeah, it is for a bathroom, a very old apartment that my parents built their first house in 1975, my age. Many things are broken here, so I have to fix it even outside and inside. So for me, it's important that I can do as much possible. I'm cutting now many tiles. Maybe it will be not enough, but at least I know what design I want to do later on. I don't know what design, but I can put it in our balcony so I can have some ideas. I will show you every project that I will do in the future for this special apartment. I hope to finish next spring if it's possible. I don't know yet, but let's see. Okay, let's put this one here so I can show you. You see this one? That's how it looks like. And I can put this mosaic here like that. You can see, and the water will go here inside in the bathroom, and here is the hole. Okay, and this is the same thing here. This is for the shower, and this is where outside from the shower with the toilet. Okay. Yes, I hope you got inspired, and maybe you can use it too. But it is okay also for a table. Looks really pretty. I love it. And yes, and see you next time.